Hey, good morning Al. This is Jason with Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Sandpoint, Idaho, shooting that video of the 3500 Duramax for you. It's a great vehicle in great shape. There's one area I'm going to point out that has a little bit of damage on the rear passenger wheel well. Other than that, this vehicle is in fantastic shape. Good tread life left on the fronts there. And then I'll point out that damage for you right here. This area right there. As he brushed up against something, looks very light as far as the impact on it. Go around the back of the vehicle. Rear bumper's in great shape. Show you the bed on this. The gentleman that owned this traded in for a Chevy 1500, and he just had way too much truck here. As you know, this is a 3LT, very nicely loaded. Leather seats, heated leather seats, XM radio, memory seating as well. No rips or tears in the interior. This was not used as a work truck previously at all. It's very, very clean. I mentioned the XM radio. You've got dual controls for heat for the passenger and the driver. Across the dash here, focusing on that so you can see how clean this vehicle really is. Alright, that pretty much concludes the tour of the vehicle. Like I mentioned, the only damage that I see anywhere on this vehicle is the rear quarter panel, and it's a light brush mark on that, and not structural at all, on that back quarter panel or wheel well there. And once again, my name is Jason, and I'm with Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Got a great vehicle here to come look at if you'd like to follow up. I tried your phone number and I was not able to actually reach you on that to let you know the video is coming. So please follow up with us. My number is 208-304-2040. Thanks again.